Have you ever felt lost? Not the kind of lost where you can't find your way home, but that quiet emptiness inside. When you wake up and ask yourself, what am I even doing with my life? Maybe you used to have plans. Maybe you still do. But somewhere along the way, the light that once guided you grew dim. If this sounds familiar, stay with me, because this story might help you find your way again. In a busy town surrounded by long, dusty roads, there lived a young man named Ravi. He wasn't poor. He wasn't rich. He was simply stuck. Every day, Ravi followed the same routine. Wake up, go to work, scroll through his phone, sleep, repeat. From the outside, everything looked fine. But inside, he felt a strange fog of confusion. One night, after another long, meaningless day, Ravi whispered, "I don't know why I'm living like this." He lay awake, staring at the ceiling as the night asked no questions and gave no answers. Then one weekend, he decided to take a long walk outside the town to clear his head. Without a path, without a plan, he simply walked. Hours passed. The road stretched endlessly, and when the sun began to fade, he realized he was lost. As darkness fell, Ravi saw a faint light in the distance. He followed it and found a small workshop made of wood. Inside, an old carpenter sat by a lamp, carving pieces of timber into birds. The old man looked up and smiled. "Traveler, you look tired. Sit down." Ravi dropped his bag in relief. "Sir, I think I lost my way," the man chuckled softly. "Everyone does, my son." On the table lay two wooden carvings. One unfinished bird with broken wings, and one strong, beautifully shaped, ready to fly. The carpenter said, "These two birds are like our lives. One is what happens when we give up in confusion, the other when we keep carving patiently. Even when the shape is blur." Ravi looked at the unfinished bird. Its wings looked crooked, its form was rough. "Do you think I can fix mine?" he asked quietly. The old man smiled, handing him a small carving tool. "Only you can." Ravi stayed with the carpenter for a few days. Each morning, he watched how the old man worked. Slowly, carefully, never rushing. "When I was young," the carpenter said, "I used to blame life each time my hands made a mistake. Then I learned, wood only obeys patience." Ravi began carving his own small bird from a rough block of wood. At first, his cuts were uneven, but over time, the shape began to appear. One evening, tired but peaceful, he whispered, "I think I begin to understand." The old man nodded. Life's path is just like this piece of wood. You don't see what it will become until you keep working on it. Getting lost isn't the end. It's the beginning of shaping something new. A few weeks later, Ravi thanked the carpenter and left for home. The roads looked the same as before, but this time, he noticed the sunrise, the trees, the smell of earth, small details he had never paid attention to. When people asked, "Did you find where you wanted to go?" he smiled and said, "No, but I found something better. I found why I walk." Back in town, Ravi began to change his days. He woke up early, he worked with focus, he spoke kindly, and each night he carved a little wooden bird to remind himself that purpose is not found, it is built, one gentle cut at a time. Maybe right now, you're like Ravi. Maybe you also feel that fog, but being lost doesn't mean you're broken. It simply means your compass is waiting to be rebuilt. So take a breath, put away your phone for a moment, listen to your own thoughts again. Start shaping your time, your habits, your dreams. Even if the picture still looks imperfect, every sunrise is another chance to carve something better. You don't need to see the full path. You only need to take one true step. If this story touched your heart and reminded you of your strength, take a moment, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Here, we share many stories like this, each one short, simple, and full of meaning. Stories that help you learn English naturally while awakening your mind. Your single click helps our small community grow, just like Ravi's small carvings turned into a gallery of hope. Remember, when you feel lost in life, don't wait for someone else to draw the map. Pick up your own tools. Start shaping your world, and soon, you'll realize the path was never missing. It was hidden inside you.